Welcome back to the channel, guys and girls. Today we came on back to the Little Indian Creek here in Floyd County, and we actually came today to get us a few to take home to eat. We come up here a few days ago when they had first stocked, and we caught a couple, and wanted to come on back and get a few for the skillet now that all the locals have had their time to catch a couple. The limit here in Virginia is 6 fish per day, but I only actually need probably just 4. 4 decent sized ones will be more than enough for me and my family. So let's fish around, see if we can get us 4 or 5 of them, and see how we do. There we go, guys. The tiny little whippersnapper, but he took that old fire bait right off the surface just like we wanted. Okay, now luckily for this little guy, he's hooked right in the roof of the mouth here, as you can see. So we will just be unpegging him and letting him go back. Calm down, little buddy. There we go. Just a pretty little guy there. We're just going to let him go right on back into the creek. There he goes. All right, so there's fish number 1, not a keeper. There's one, guys. That old hatchery pellet brown came through for us. And there she is, a beautiful little fish. Let's see just how deep she's got it. I'd say she ate it. We are fishing with dough baits. Yep, she's got it all the way back in her gullet. So what we're going to do, guys, is we're just going to nip our line here, and we're going to be adding this fish to our stringer for dinner. Maybe one last look there. Beautiful little fish, and that one came on the hatchery pellet brown. An absolute looked over color that slays. So let's get her on a stringer and let's get back after it. Fish number 2. Heck yeah, let's take him home and cook him up. There we go, guys. Heck yeah, guys. Got ourselves another one here to go on the stringer. Heck yeah, looks like a perfect little eater fish. There we go, guys. Got one on the spinnerbait. Rooster tail. Oh, we got him. Heck yeah, guys. We've caught him on fire bait. We've caught him on trout magnets. And now we've caught our last one here on a spinnerbait. A little hodgepodge day, I guess you could say. I guess the best luck we've had so far today was on that hatchery brown bait. There's that one. Let's go ahead and get him on the stringer, guys. That makes 4. I'm not going to take more than I need. I only need 4 fish to feed the family. So let's go ahead and head on out, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Go ahead and head out and get you some of that hatchery colored fire bait, guys. I really think you'll enjoy it. But until next time, tight lines.